Hi students, this is Nagaya Madagoni. Right, first year intermediate syllabus, botany first year. First unit diversity in the living world. Then first topic the living world. What is that? What is the living and diversity in the living world? Taxonomic categories. Then second topic is biological classification in five kingdom classification: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Three dominants of life lichens are there. Okay, and third topic it is science of plants. Okay, this is the origin and development scope of botany. And then fourth topic is plant kingdom, salient features, classification, and alteration of generations of the plant of the following groups. It is the lower plants. Then and fifth topic it is a second unit, structural organization of plant of morphology. Then in this unit flowering plants, morphology of flowering plants చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. And vegetative and then vegetative means that all roots, stems and leaves are there, that morphological characters are there, and reproductive inflorescence and flower and fruits. This is the main topics of this fifth topic. And then sixth topic it is the reproduction in plants. It is the unit. Okay, then in this unit one of the topic modes of reproduction are there. This is sexual reproduction and some variants reproduction modes are prancing to the in this topic. Then alternate then sexual reproduction in flowering plants is the topic of this unit. And then stamens and microsporangiums, pollen grains, pistil, megasporangium and embryo sacs and pollination are prancing to the double fertilization are also prancing to this topic. Okay, then special modes are prancing to this topic. Apomixis, parthenocarpy and polyembryony also is there. Then another topic it is plant systematics. Taxonomy of angiosperms, it is the topic of this unit. And introduction and types of system of classification and semi-technical descriptions are prancing to this topic. Okay, that is the Fabaceae, Solanaceae and Liliaceae families. Then cell structure and functions, it is the unit. In this unit cell, the unit of life topic, and these are prancing to the cell theory and a basic unit of life overview of this cell and prokaryotic cell and then their functions. Then endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes, Golgi. These organelles are total organelles are prancing to the in this topic. And chromosomes also there, structure and number and organization of nucleus also there. Then another topic is biomolecules. And okay, in this biomolecules they are prancing to the structure and functions of proteins, carbohydrates and lipids and nucleotides also there. And other topic is cell cycle and cell division. Then cell cycle it is branching to the mitosis and meiosis and their significance are there. Then another unit it is the internal organization of the plants, that is the histology and anatomy of flowering plants are there. In this topic tissues, their structures and types are prancing to the topic, and tissue systems also there, the types and structures are prancing to there. And anatomy of dicotyledons and monocotyledons and roots and stems and leaves are there prancing to them this topic. And also secondary growth membrane also presenting them. Then plant ecology, in this topic ecological adaptations and succession and ecology. These introduction and plant communities and ecological adaptations and hydrophytes and mesophytes and xerophytes are there. Plant succession also there. Ecological services are carbon dioxide, oxygen release and pollination also there. Okay, the four prancing to the in this syllabus, and also we provide in this total syllabus PDF mode or image mode are submitted in your WhatsApp group. So please keep down to the write down to the this syllabus. Okay, all the best.